I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. Good morning. Got to put my night vision glasses up. I'll need those next week because Suzanne and I leave at 5 in the morning on Wednesday. But it's a one-day trip and it's a fun day. Learn lots of stuff. Lots of chit-chatting on the drive. So, yeah, I got to hurry because Suzanne and I always decorate for when one of our team members has a birthday. And today one of my team members has a birthday. So it's 6:51. She gets there a little on the earlier side. So I want to make sure I get there before she does. So I got to get to move on. No time to dilly-dally. I do have two things. My left knee is a little sore today. And I woke up, I remember my throat was sore last night. So I don't know. This stinking weather is just bugging me. But it's funny. In a good way. My, by now, before I had this nose spray, I'd be so miserable. Nose spray is doing something. I will take a sore throat in the middle of the night over all that drainage and the shots and all that misery any day. Man, I'm so stinking excited because I have a team member who, she's on the same cycle as me with the weather, and she's pretty dang miserable. Like, she had to go home last week and her head is killing her. But I don't have, mine's always was the postnasal drainage, and I don't have much of that, so yay. Correction, I've had a little bit. This stuff isn't a miracle drug. So I did have to take, I took a half of an Advil cold and sinus yesterday, twice. So, a whole tablet separated. But anyway, so I have had to do that. So I better make that correction. All right, bye. What's up, Buttercup? I think I told y'all. I don't remember if I'm telling you again. I have a iPhone, a new phone that's coming to my house today. And I ran home yesterday because it said it was being delivered. It wasn't. So today I've watched and it did trigger the out for delivery thing. But I have my alarm on in my house to tell me if something happens. So that that's the best thing about living so dang close to work. Okay, we got steak bites and some pork steak. Take a steak bite. Can't nobody tell me nothing right now. I think even if my boss walked up and said, Terri, you're fired, I'd be like, hold on. I'd say, hold on. I'd still finish chewing. But let's not share that with my boss, though, okay? We don't want to start something. We want to start something that we can't finish. The dog is hot out here. Loves me. I don't think I'm going to be taking a walk. Got my raw veggies and the ranch. Yesterday, I'll show you what I did. I just took it. And I went, boop, boop, boop. Way less calories than you dipping it, mixing with yogurt or sour cream or something. We had a UPS delivery guy. They asked him having this in my meat. And I reined him down. I said, hey, are you scheduled to go to Bessie St? He's like, well, probably. I go over there all the time. I said, well, I got a delivery. And so he looked and he didn't have it. So anyway, but I thought, well, I don't know how many brown UPS vans there are in my town. So anyway, so today's gonna be kind of like a do stuff, check. Do stuff, pause. So anyway, so I definitely won't be taking a walk. One, it's hotter than Cooter Brown, and let me tell you, if you have ever seen Cooter Brown, you know he is smoking hot. That's all I know. I'm not full of knowledge today. I know I've not had any more gas other than the first couple of days of eating veggies. That's all been fine. My weight is up 1 pound. But, you know, I went out to eat Sunday. And my weight usually does go up 1 or 2 pounds right after I eat out. Which is what my body does. My throat is killing me. Suzanne's got a headache. Another girl said her ears are clogged. And I'm like, yeah, with this weather we have, I don't know. I ain't surprised about all of us being all sickly. It ain't the veggies, Kim. Kim, I think you're the one that always says, you get sicker when it's the veggies. It ain't them. We ain't even gonna say that. I love you, Kim. Anyway, yeah, so, yeah, my throat's sore. I did gargle salt water, and that helped. But, and I took half of an Advil, cold and sinus, and I took a Mucinex. Oh, I don't have to worry about being so dehydrated now. Hallelujah. Because, you know, in a carnivore, that's the one thing I whine about the most, ain't it? I'm so dry. My mouth is so dry. Can't drink enough. That's like my biggest whine. I think that's like my biggest whine. But anyway, all right, I got to go because I got to keep my phone line. Now that was this. That wasn't the veggies. That was my Zevia. But I got to keep my phone line ready for any little beeps from my phone, you know, my phone cameras. All right, love you, bye. Or my house cameras, bye. This is the only time I'll be able to do this, but I got my new phone today. That's my thing. That's my background, so I can always remember where I came from. Okay, y'all. I told it which phone number to do. I told it my cell phone number. What cell phone number is my new phone connected to? Judy's. I'm telling you what, that woman is popular. I've only had this phone for about 45 minutes. And Carton Flabbit, I've had about 5 phone calls from her little old friends. So I have my cell phone that you're on is my number. This new cell phone is her number. So I called AT&T and I'm on a callback wait list. And they're supposed to call me back because now I don't want to take my brand new phone over to Judy. I mean, I would if I have to. Or she'll just... But she's texting me from her iPad. And y'all, it is so creepy. Her iPad is in my phone as Dad, her iPad number. So I saw this and it says... Sorry, y'all. Saw this thing and it says from Dad. And I'm like, no. What in the world? Kind of creeped me out. Because your dad died 11 years ago. But anyway, so then it was like, Terry, my phone's not working. Poor Judy. I'm like, yeah, it's because I've got your number and all your friends have called you. Write these names down. You need to call these people as soon as we get this figured out. Go ahead and text them right now, too, so they can know what's going on. Poor Judy. She just never knows what antics I'm going to get her into. Not on purpose. Anyway, I'm making my food because, yeah, we got to kind of be fast because if AT&T calls, I got to go. So I have, I'm having, well, I'll show it to you in the other room, so hang on. Okay, yeah, so for sure, poor Judy. Yeah, my throat is killing me. One coworker, her ears are stopped up and hurt. Like I said, Suzanne, her head's hurting and back her neck's hurting. Another one was sick. We could just I do fine when it's, Kim, it ain't my veggies. It's supposed to storm again tonight, but it's so funny. She said a 50% chance. I'm like, well, that don't help me much. So what do we have? Well, my sweet Leslie, she knows I'm back to eating veggies. She gave me some tomatoes earlier today, so I had 3 of those little baby tomatoes. And then she gave me a squash. Boy, I'm glad I have a job outside of talking to here because, man, I've already done the sinus wrench. It just hurts, like kind of like in the back of where your nose is. So like back here, I go in the back of your throat and up. That's where it hurts. But if we can, I was fine and then all the rain. I'm gonna whine about it, shut up. Hot diggity, dog diggity, what you do to me. Oscar Mayer is hot dog diggity. So squash, onion, and some chicken. I wish I were an Oscar Mayer wiener. That is what I truly wish to be. Because if I were an Oscar Mayer wiener, everyone would be in love with me. Alright. And this is strawberry vanilla. I had one like this the other day. Alright, y'all. It's going to be short. Gotta move. Gotta be ready. Poor Judy's sitting there with no phone. Bye. Poor Judy. They got mine over to my new phone. But they could not hang on, I got a message failure. They could not reconnect her back to her own number. Oh, hang on, that's Judy. Yeah, Judy has no phone for 48 hours. I'm going to have to message my pool people and let them know that I'm going to be late on Thursday. Because but today's Tuesday, so it's going to have to be Thursday after work. Lord, child. I got myself all discombobulated. Oh, I got to go bathroom. Check your messages. Yes, okay. Code. Y'all, that's the one bad thing about getting a new phone is trying to get everything set up. Oh, but anyway, yeah, poor Judy. I feel like a heel. But she said, well, honey, we haven't always had phones. I said, I know, but Mama, it's my fault you ain't got yours. She didn't do nothing, and I took her phone away. It's like she's being grounded for not doing nothing wrong. Anyway, I gotta pee. I love y'all. Welcome to Life with Terri. Poor Judy. All right, well, but this is what you'll get to see my new phone now. I wonder if I can upload this video. Well, if you see it, I'll know it worked. Bye.